Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby. Punch up with your left fist before bringing it back down. While facing slightly to the left, bring both hands out in front of you, palms out. Punch up with your right fist, and then bring it back down. Punch upward twice with your right fist. Bring your left hand in front of you and to the right, then sweep it to the left while sliding to the right. Facing slightly to the left again, bring your left hand straight out, palm up. Start with both fists in front of your legs, then pull them up so that they are in front of your chest, and step in place with your left foot. Repeat this move on the right. Do it on the left once more, but move your arms twice this time. Swing your left arm around to the left while crossing your right foot over your left foot. Spin until you are facing to the left. Then kneel with your left knee up. Look sharply toward the camera. Quickly bring your left arm up, then down, and then your right arm up, then down, and clasp your hands together while leaning forward slightly. Move both hands out in front of you before bringing them back in. Move both hands upward and outward while standing up. Do the chorus transition move. Repeat the chorus. For the get over it line, step first out with your left foot while bringing your arms straight out in front of you, and then quickly moving them off to the sides. Rock back on your right foot so that your left foot is off the ground while extending both arms out in front of you. Bring your left foot back into place and your arms to your sides. Bend your knees inward and hold your arms up with your elbows bent at 90-degree angles. Bring your arms upward and outward and straighten your legs while rocking back on your heels. Keeping your feet in position, turn to your left and punch out with your right fist. Now bring your right knee up while punching out with your left fist and bring your right arm back. Put your right foot back down and bring your left arm back while punching out with your right fist once again. Pull your right arm back and then move your left foot over near your right foot while your left hand goes in front of your forehead, palm out, and your right arm is extended to the right. Bring your hands up above your head, then slowly bring them down while stepping in place, starting on the right foot. With the words Surimuchan, step in place with your right foot while covering your mouth with your right hand. Then step out with your left foot while covering your right hand with your left hand. And finally move both of your hands outward while stepping out with your right foot. Put your left hand behind your back and point up with your right hand while turning your heels to the right twice. While turned to the left, bring your left knee and both arms bent at the elbows up and down 4 times. Face the camera again and put both hands behind your back. Turn to your right and punch out with your left fist. Then bring your left knee up and punch out with your right fist while bringing your left arm back. Put your left foot back down and punch out with your left arm. Now move your arms so that your right fist is down and your left fist is up. While turned to the right, bring your left knee up in the same manner as before, but this time, put both of your hands in front of your chest, palms out, and push out in front of you 4 times. While still facing to the right, put both hands behind your back. Now, put your left arm straight out toward the camera while swinging your right arm counterclockwise and then pulling it down as you step back on your right foot and slide your left foot along with it. Do the chorus transition move. Step to the right while extending your left arm straight out and pulling your right arm back, elbow bent. Bring your left foot over to meet your right foot and bend your left elbow so that both of your hands are in front of your chest. Plant your left foot and lower your arms. Move your hands, palms facing the camera, upward slowly. Put them together above your head and then quickly move them out and down to either side. Step in front of your right foot with your left foot and sweep your left arm from right to left slowly. Move your left foot back and swing both of your arms, elbows bent, to the left, then right, then left. Step back in front of your right foot with your left foot and bring your left arm from left to right and then above your head and downward. Move your left foot back near your right foot. Bring your right arm up and your left arm down and then switch their positions while kicking out with your right foot. Move your arms in this manner again while kicking out with your left foot. Kick out with your right foot once more, but step out with it when you bring it back while bringing your hands together above your head, then down to either side. Repeat the chorus from the knocking move. Start repeating the moves of the chorus again, but when you get to the box move, step back a few steps, keeping the box in place. Swing your right arm around and spin to the right. Now, repeat the chorus dance from the knee turning move. Step out with your left foot while bringing both arms directly in front of you, then out to either side. Rock back on your right foot while bringing both arms in front of you again, palms up. Bring your left foot back down and your hands back in position in front of your chest. Bring them out in front of you and then apart.